In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove a table that you added in your article in WordPress. So you can see I added here this table, but I'd like to go ahead and remove it once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, there are two ways you can delete this table. First, now if you used a shortcode to create your table or to add your table into your post, you can as well just go ahead and remove the shortcode. And if I go ahead and remove it here in my article and then update the article like that, it will be removed. So if I go ahead and also refresh on this page, this should go ahead and remove this table. And look at that. After removing the shortcode, the table has been removed because it appeared just immediately after the second paragraph. That is one method. However, for this method, your table is still available on your website and you can just go ahead and still reinstate it by adding the shortcode again or afresh. But if you want to go ahead and delete the table totally from your website, then for that, you need to go ahead and open the plugin that you use to create your table. For my case, I used this plugin called WordPress, and I need to go ahead and click on WordPress here. I've already installed it, and if I go ahead and click on it, I'll click on all tables here, and this will go ahead and list all the tables that I have on my WordPress website. As you can see, I have quite a number of them, and I like to go ahead and sort out or find the table that I created. So to find mine, you have to note that the latest table normally comes last on the list when you have used WordPress. So I'll go up to the end, and here is the table that I want to delete. So to delete it, you can now use this delete option here to be able to delete it. Now, for instance, let me go ahead and delete this entry number 129. I'll just go ahead and click on delete here. And then I'll have to confirm that I want to delete this table under this ID. I'll go ahead and click on delete, and look at that, that table will be deleted within a short period of time. And that is it. By doing so, the table has been deleted. So that's how you delete WordPress tables on your WordPress website. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.